So Wizeline is a company that has offices in San Francisco, several in Mexico, Vietnam, and across several other locations. And our primary goal was to help companies build better products. We all came from a background in the Silicon Valley, and we had built products at other companies in the past. So in many cases, companies don't have the expertise in-house to build the right type of products, and so that's where we've come in and both help them on strategy, on the technology, but then also in engineers to help them deliver. And so here at Wizeline in Guadalajara, we have hundreds of engineers. So we have a very long relationship with AWS. At the last company we were at, Uyala was one of the first adopters of AWS. They actually won an AWS prize 2008, right? So a while back. And I think that longevity of AWS is what makes it very important. First of all, it's extraordinarily reliable, right? Between the different avenues for recovery and having multiple zones, whether we have Australian clients or clients in Latin America or clients in New York, AWS works for all of them. And then there's also a sophisticated amount of features and functionality that we use every day on top of the AWS ecosystem that are industry standards. So that's something where we can work with many different clients. And the fact that you can use great applications on top of the infrastructure built into AWS anywhere in the world, it all works the same, allows us to very quickly take best practices and modern technology from the Silicon Valley and spread it all across the world. So for us as Wizeline, it's about creating engineers with the knowledge and the skills, and AWS is a perfect complement to that because it allows us to very quickly go on the ground, make immediate progress, and do things in a very consistent way that allows us to ensure success rather than having to guess, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. You can pretty much know that AWS is going to work every time you use it. They're looking for ways to help their customers save money, increase revenue, and to get into modern technologies like NLP or different types of artificial intelligence. And so for us, it's about taking those practices and making them things that can be repeated at a much higher level of scale. So Wizeline is building our own software that helps us maintain consistency in how all of our projects and products are delivered. So we're building consulting practices that help us quickly find the core of those, and then engineering practices that again allow us to build much more complex products with very low risk and at high quality and high speed. The benefit for Wizeline of being a partner with AWS is that we have a very similar goals. There's companies that really are feeling pressure from the market to build great new digital products at high speed, at low cost. For Wizeline, we're always looking for ways to help our customers build products faster, with higher quality, with lower risk, incorporate functionality like artificial intelligence, NLP. By partnering with AWS, they have very similar goals, and so it's great to go to market together with them. By leveraging AWS, we can also immediately show value to those customers in a way that allows us to form a very great relationship with our customers through AWS.